Hey guys, Jerry here. Hope you're having a great day. Endgame keyboards are some of the most discussed topics in the custom keyboard community. Today's build is the pursuit of finding my absolute endgame keyboard, and I think this might be it. So the keyboard we'll be building today is the Vertex Angle from clickclack.io. First off, I just want to say that the unboxing experience is absolutely superb. You get this card with your components written on it and a cool sticker. The small box holds the components, which are nicely labeled for you. You also get a ton of foams, which we'll get to a bit later. I got the alu plate and the solder PCB, which both look very aesthetic. And here is the beautiful keyboard. The black PVD weights adds a ton of character to the otherwise simplistic design. The moonstone, in the shape of an isosceles right triangle, acts as an accent piece for the whole board. Inside, you'll find the words "Play the angles, know the angles" engraved on these replaceable pieces that you can customize to say whatever you want. I'm using the TX stabs that I recently picked up. I tuned them with Krytox 205G0, and these are clip-ins, which means easier installation. Since this will be my endgame, I will definitely use my favorite switches, Gateron Black Ink V2s. These buttery smooth switches provide deep thought thanks to the standard 4mm travel distance. Unfortunately, this is a solder PCB, which means I won't be able to swap out switches easily. Still, I do enjoy the almost zen feeling when soldering. Alright, final assembly. First off, always put on the feet to prevent scratching. The keyboard is held together by 10 screws. Utilizing the leaf spring mounting style, the keyboard uses the small gaskets to sandwich the outer edges of these protruding aluminum pieces. This generally provides a soft and cushioned typing experience. You will also notice that the bottom gasket areas are angled for additional clearance. In terms of foam, I went with the plate foam and the thin sheet below the PCB to prevent short-circuiting against the metal case. There are also silicone aligners to help position the plate assembly, so do remember to install that. And I forgot that this keyboard was wing keyless. A few screws close the case up, and now, time for the keycaps. Again, pulling out my favorite set of all time, the GMK MoDo Indulge 2. The minimal gray keycaps are accented with the calm cyan keys, which is my favorite color. Now, take a listen to the finished build. Overall, a pretty good board. The sound is mediocre, a bit thin and hollow. However, I will be doing some mods to it in the future and maybe even swap out some switches. Other than that, I'm falling in love with the keyboard's aesthetics. The gray matches pretty well, and the cyan accents are just the cherry on top. The moonstone doesn't quite match the cyan, but it also looks fantastic. There are also love handles on the side, which does help a lot when moving this keyboard around. Otherwise, the design is super clean and definitely fits on my desk, as I will be using it as my daily driver for a good while. This is probably the last time I'll say this, but I'll be doing a giveaway at 1K, so please show your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.